Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video, we'll learn how to remove a table or a relation from a database in SQL, and we'll also be seeing how to remove the entire database in itself using the drop command of SQL. Okay, so there might occur scenarios where you want to remove a particular table that is present in a database. So to do that, you just write the drop keyword, and the drop keyword is followed by the drop table. So you are dropping, or you want to drop the table of a database, so you write drop table followed by the name of the table. So for example, if we are using the example of our attendance table and we want to drop this particular entire table from our student details database, then we write the two keywords drop table followed by the name of the table that we want to drop, and all the entries of this table, this relation will be removed from the database. And as we have seen in the previous video, now this database, after executing this command, would only contain two relations, which is student and the guardian. Okay, now if you want to remove the entire database in itself, so for example, you have created a database, your work is done, or you have done some mistakes in the database and you want to delete it and start your work over again, so you can use the drop database command followed by the name of the database that you want to remove completely. So executing this command will delete all the tables that are present in the database in one go, and it is not it cannot be undone. So you have to be very careful while executing such drop commands. So say example, if you have the student details database and you want to completely remove it, how will you write the command? You write drop database followed by the name of the database that you want to remove. So I hope this simple concept is clear to you. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and like this video. Subscribe our channel for more such tutorials, and if you want to study any particular topic from computer science or management subject, do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.